Lighting plays important role in television production. All television cameras require certain amount of illumination to produce an image. In this video program, we'll be discussing the importance of lighting ratio and also how to create some of the special lighting effects. The aim of lighting is to create shape, size and texture. Lighting helps to create various moods in TV programs. These moods are created by contrast ratio lighting. Contrast ratio is the difference between brightest and the darkest portion of a picture. For example, the scene here is having the ratio of 1:4. That is, the brightest portion is 4 times brighter than the darker area. How to calculate the lighting ratio? The lighting ratios are calculated by using the formula K plus F divided by F, where K is the intensity of key light falling on the subject and F is the intensity of fill light falling on the subject. For example, if K is equal to 120 foot candles and F is equal to 40 foot candles, lighting ratio is K plus F divided by F, which is equal to 120 plus 40 divided by 40 . These readings are measured by incident light meter. For practical lighting purpose, we can classify lighting ratios as follows. High key lighting ratio, which is equal to 1:1 and 1:2. Normal lighting ratio, which is equal to 1:3, and low key lighting ratio, which is equal to 1:4 and 1:5. In a scene with high key lighting, the lighting ratio lies between 1:1 and 1:2, which means the mid-gray to white tones predominate. This creates a feeling of lightness and cheerfulness. Let us watch some examples. In low-key lighting, the mid-gray to black tone predominate. Normally, the lighting ratio lies between 1:4 and 1:5. The darker tones suggest the mood of restfulness and grief. Let us watch some examples. There are various lighting techniques by using which one can create an illusion of three-dimensional effects. Some of these common lighting techniques used in television programs include limbo lighting, cameo lighting, silhouette lighting. Limbo lighting is a technique where the subject is present in front of the totally white background. It has undefined, endless background, usually with shadowless lighting treatment. It depicts the mood of cheerfulness and romance. A bank of floodlights are used to create limbo lighting. Cameo lighting is the reverse of limbo lighting. The subject in this case is lit against the black background, where the subject is being isolated and the environment of the shot is fully suppressed. Spotlights are mainly used in cameo lighting. In silhouette lighting, the backlights are used strongly to show the forms of the performer and the objects. Here, the concentration is on the subject outline and surface details are fully suppressed. Hence, the subject appears black against the light background. Silhouette effects are commonly used for televised dance and mystery programs. Visual effects is another important component of television production. If used skillfully, these effects appear normal and the audience also accept these effects as real thing. Let us now see some of these effects and how they are created within the four walls of a television studio. Flickering effects of fire on a subject can be simulated by attaching narrow strips of cloth or by using leaves. The Fresnel spot lamp fitted with orange color gel is placed at appropriate level and the stick is gently waved in front of the light, thereby producing flickering shadows on the subject. This effect is regularly required for shots of people sitting beside a river or a lake. To create this effect, a shallow pan containing several small pocket mirrors are used. These mirrors are immersed in 2-inch deep water. After this, a Fresnel spotlight is directed onto the pan while the water is stirred gently. Well, to summarize, let us now recall what we have seen so far. High key lighting for lightness and cheerfulness. Low key lighting for restfulness and grief. Limbo lighting for cheerfulness and romance. Cameo lighting for isolating from the background. Silhouette lighting for televised dances and mystery programs. And visual effects like firelight effect, and water ripple effect. So friends, much depends on you how you learn and practice the lighting techniques. Good luck.